Okay, this is the latest from Triumph. This is the Tracker 400. Pretty exciting stuff, lots to talk about and lots to discuss about this motorcycle. Let me quickly take you around this motorcycle and show you what all has been done on this brand new edition of the Triumph lineup. This is, by the way, the 6th motorcycle in the lineup, from Speed 400, from T400 to this Tracker 400. Now, the name 400 is just to keep these things under the same brand umbrella, but everything underneath has been changed to 350cc. This is just because of the GST 2.0 changes. So let me quickly take you through these features. Starting with the front, if you see right here, you get a beautiful fly screen on this motorcycle which says 400 right here. Looks pretty stylish in my opinion. You get LED headlights and LED turn signals. You get 17-inch tires, alloy wheels and MRF Zapper hike tires, which is 110 at the front. And if you come towards this, the instrument cluster is pretty neat. Everything that was there on the previous Thruxton 400 has now been carried forward to this model as well. The handlebars are pretty straightforward. They are kind of a tracker style design, which in my opinion looks pretty nice and sexy, by the way. And the fit and finish, that's what I really like about the Triumph brand. The fit and finish of even the tiniest of buttons and screws around is just oozes premiumness, which to me is really value for money if you are going to consider 350cc motorcycles these days. Now, you get a brand new tank shape, which also allows you to grip the tank pretty much effectively. Now, this shape is only exclusive to this Tracker motorcycle, but I really like the shape of this tank. You get a 13-liter tank on this motorcycle, which is decent, and you get a brand new single seat, which with a pretty good-looking cowl. Now, the good thing about this cowl is you can also remove this. It's a very neat design. If the camera comes here, you see this tiny rubber port right here. This thing opens up, and this is a space for you to open this cowl. Now, the seat comes off like that, and you can remove the cowl by these two hex bolts which are right here, which is a pretty neat design in my opinion. Let me put this back real quick. This to me looks like a pretty neat feature. Now, if you look towards the back, the tail light, the tail section has been also modified slightly, which is nice and minimal. The exhaust which you see has been borrowed from the Scrambler variants, which kind of goes with the lines of the bike, the Tracker styling that has been kept and maintained throughout. The rear tire is 150 section, 17-inch MRF Zapper tires. And speaking of exhaust, let me also make you listen to the exhaust note, because you have to. Why not? That sounds very nice. Now, let me quickly give you a demo of what the ergonomics on this bike will look like. The seat height is at 805 mm, and I am 6'2". I can easily flat foot this, so this will not be a problem for shorter riders. You sit somewhat like this, a little aggressive, but very, very sporty. You also get a slip and assist clutch, which feels very light. And the bike, which weighs at around 181 kilos curb weight, which is seriously very light, feels very easy to maneuver around the parking lot. Should not be a problem. Rest, the bike has a lot of premiumness to it. That's what I observe. The aesthetic appeal, the visual appeal of this motorcycle is very, very excellent and on point. And gets a brushed steel finish on the exhaust pipes also, which is very nice. So that was it about this walk around of the Tracker 400 motorcycle. Do let me know in the comment section as to what you think about this motorcycle. The pricing of the Tracker 400 starts from 2.46 ex-showroom It's a very, very affordable in its segment motorcycle. And do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you genuinely like this video, a thumbs up goes a long way. And if you are a new viewer, do consider subscribing to the channel. That gives me a real good motivation to make more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Shrey out.